im hakisngi iba bat ki bapen kulmar jingmot shika dei yangi kabalang u Jisu Kris baro goi ka pyrthei ka ap ya ka jingwan arsin u Jisu kaban suggestion ha kano kapor hato phiru phi perkhat ba ka jingwan arsin u Jisu kan salongshen henrei kat kum ka jingai thamai na China kata ka jing perkhat jong phi bat jonga kalong ka babakala namar kinong bot jong ka ni ka balang kinget bar ki hikai baga jingwan arsin u Jisu kaladep urlong bad u Jisu lawan pat sashisin ha China kum Blei badon bor baro henrai ngimdai ban sngopla namar kini baro kilong shibunta ban pen baki jingong jong utrai Jisu Kris kilong ki badai bar ki bomlait watang shik sairu u Jisu Kris ulaya thu lupa ha ka gospel ka jong Matthias nong ba arphu saw ka dekhot ka ba arphu lai hadu arphu san u ong kumne nangta lada uno ru uong hapi hakmi hangne udon u Messiah lane udon hangtai wat ngai yakata nabaki Messiah lamler barki nong thu lupa lamler kin yami kin le yaki kamba bakhrau barki kamphalla khnang ban shukor wat yaki brio ki bala jit jong Blei lada kalong kabala to shashkor nalaya thu hapi yakane hashua bakapor kanpoi kumta kane ka video kalong man penting yangi henrei banginya tip yakajing shisha batru nginang ban husiar khnang bangen hap hakum kini gijing hikai bakla kiba mi kenrei haikini kisingi yakane ka balang thamai lakhot the Church of Almighty God lane ka balang jong Blei badon bor baro lakhot ru yakane ka balang kum ka Eastern lightning lane ka leile namingi lasang yakane ka kanhond hagasnem khandai spa khandai phowei ha China da uwei unong hikai ubakerteng uzau weishan ubakam bau Jisu ulawan longbrio pat sashisien par ha kane ka kenti ulawan ha China ha ka long ringyeng kum ka kenthei ka bakerteng ka yang ziangbind balakha house nam khandai spa nyopulai kane ka kanhon ka pendon kam artli ki kot bakhoi kawai kalong ka kot ba jong ki Kristan bar kawai pat kalong ka kot sau ka ba ki khot the word appears in the flesh lani uktin ulam mi pau ha kado henrei ki kham khain kordor yagan ka kot ka ba sau da maki ngai bagade ka kot ka ba khoj ka ba Blei badon bor baro la ai ha kini kisngi ki ba mynta ya ki bangai laong bagane ka kanhon mynta kladon hadu kumba laipho hadu saupho lak kinong bot keleng saudong ka pyrthei khamtam ha China kinong yalam balang han Nagaland ki ong baka ne ka jinghikai kalayo rung ru ha North East India but kila don bon kinong bot ha Nagaland hadu kumba South Spa but San Spa ngot ai
it is a threat to our faith
ka sarkar China kalarai bean yakane ka balang house nam khandai spa khandai pusan ki balang Kristan baro hari China kila kentai yakane ka kanhon kum ka kanhon ka bahikai yakajing hikai babakla ngalapait ya ka YouTube channel jonggane ka balang Church of the Almighty God bar ngashem ba hadu menta kala yo hadu arlak nyo phohonyo hajar ngot kinong subscribe nangta ngalapait ya ka Facebook page jonggane ka balang bangalap bakila don ki followers lani kinong bot hadu shilak live hoi hajar ngot don bon ki jingtho bar ki video bala penmi da kane ka balang ha kane ka Facebook bar kumjoru ha ka YouTube shisen pet hi phin baki jing hikai jong ki kisngo dei bha tongin sngap yak jing hikai jong kane ka balang lengba ka official video ka ba kane ka kanhon hi kalapan mi ki jinghikai jong ne ka kanhon ki long ki ba jai bar ki bas ngau dai ru namar la pynshong nang rim ya ki jinghikai jong ki ha ka Bible ki hikai ru kat kum ka jing so tho jong ki bat ya ka bala tho ha ka kot sao ka jong ki.
The origin and development of the Church of Almighty God. It was entirely founded by Almighty God personally. And in 1991, Almighty God, Christ of the last days, began to officially perform his ministry in China. The Church of Almighty God came into being. It is personally led and shepherded by him. And it was by no means set up by any man. God has again become flesh and descended to the east of the world, China. God's work of the last days has ended the age of grace and ushered in the age of kingdom. Then he expressed millions of words and began the work of judgment of the great white throne in the last days. The name of Almighty God in the age of kingdom exactly fulfills the prophecies of the book of Revelation. God has a new name in each age, and that his new name symbolizes that God is doing new work. Of God's name is so great and profound. In it is contained the significance of God's work. God uses names to change the age and represent his work of that age. As the gospel of the kingdom of Almighty God spread rapidly in mainland China in the last days, since God returned to flesh in China to do the work of judgment, he has been cruelly persecuted and hunted by the CCP government, and also cursed, framed, condemned, and rejected by all denominations and sects of Christianity. We can imagine how hard it is for God to carry out his work in such a fortress of demons, where black clouds weigh heavily and devils wield power.
U Jisu laong haka gospel ga jong Matthias lanong ba arpusau na khot ba arfun riu hada arfun yo laraki briu kin yatho yapi hakmi u don ha ka rishyap wat le chata lane laraki ong hakmi uri hangne wat nget yakata naba u khon u briu un wan kum ka lele ka ba thaba na shiliang ka sahid beneng na mingi sha sepngi kata kamut baka jingwan arsian u Jesus Christ kanom long ka ba jar henry ka ba baro kanya tiplot kinya yo ilut kumba long ka ding lele ha sahid beneng kumta nga kerpat ya phi baro ki parabangai ba phen long ki bala husiar long ki ba em da ka jing ruai ka jing duai ka jing puli ya ka tien ga jong Blei manla ka sngi klempep khamtang ha ka pormin step khnang ba phen san hau trai leng ba ka tien ka jong o pen melian ya la de sha ka jing im riu Blei but what's dang ya ka sngi ga jong phi klem da yo puli shua shikentien arkentien nakakot ba parman sedang ya kasni daga jing selok baru Blei laka long tang shipho hado khasan minute ro so ban share ya kanega video kat bala khnang bakan long kum ga jing maham ya ki wei par ki para bangai bar ki parlok baken long ki bahosiar to Blei unkor khu ya phi hado bangenda ya kan do pat Khublei shibun
Im ha kis ni ba e, ni im ha peng ki